Welcome back to my channel. I'm wearing this because I am quarantined at the moment, still waiting for my PCR and hoping that I got a negative result, but we need to be productive. I'm going to upgrade my HSP RC. I got this from AliExpress. It's a metal chassis. Why did I upgrade it? Because this portion of my plastic HSP is already broken. So what's the purpose of this one? This is to adjust your ground clearance of your RC. So if you have this tip, this one is used for adjusting the clearance of your RC on the ground. All right. So this is the one that is already damaged or broken. If you can see this one, this part is you see it from there. Okay, this part is already broken there. So this one is already broken and some scratches and things like what I'm gonna do is gonna remove all the parts and check it for maintenance and put all the components of this RC to this new chassis. Okay, it will make your RC quite heavier, but it's gonna be more stronger. All right, and yeah, let's go and start.